Hello folks, hope you're doing well. Trying not to take up too much of your time. What I wanted to talk about today, just briefly, is something that keeps coming up all the time here at the office, and that is that people think they have enough health insurance. Now some of you know out there don't have any health insurance, so it's hard to say that you have too much or enough. But the fact of the matter is, when you have auto accidents or something, there is something that you can have in the state of Colorado on your auto policy that can help you out a lot, and it's called medical payments. When you buy your auto insurance, you can add, and they're required to offer this to you at insurance companies, medical payments in amount of at least $5,000. Then it goes 5,000, 10,000, 25, and occasionally you'll see one even for 100,000. And what that's for is to pay your medical bills right away that you have from a car accident. Now there's a couple of things that are helpful with that. One, if you don't have any medical insurance at all, that helps you. Now this doesn't help you anywhere but a car accident, but it does help a tremendous amount. And secondly is, even if you have health insurance, what most people don't know is your health insurance company will get reimbursed from your settlement. Should you get a settlement for being injured in the accident, they'll get reimbursed out of that settlement for the money they expended on your car accident. It's in almost everybody's policies. It's just the health insurance policies are pretty good size, and most people don't read the whole thing, but it is in there. Now the good thing about the MedPay piece is that it doesn't get reimbursed. In other words, if they pay medical expenses and you get a settlement, they don't get paid back out of it. So when you redo your insurance for your automobile, make sure you get some MedPay. I'd recommend at least $10,000 because $5,000 of the medical payments disappears in a trip to the emergency room. This stuff's pretty expensive, and you just don't want to take chances with all the expense that it can have with tests and stuff like that. Having some medical payment insurance you don't get paid back out of your settlement is really worthwhile, and it is inexpensive to have. And to not get it, you have to sign a waiver. Don't sign a waiver to waive that. It's for your best interest. It's very inexpensive, and you shouldn't do it. You should take it, and you should take it probably to $10,000. That's all I'm saying. If you ever have an accident and you get hurt, be really glad you had it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for listening.